How's their son doing? Disappearing. Alright. One down. Two more to go. Interesting, huh? Shrink tubing. Ooh. They even sell this in rolls of tape. Shrink tape. I've never bought any. I guess I'll have to go on eBay now and buy some. Evil Bay! Evil Bay! Echo Bay Mining. My sister told me that. The guy used to work for a company called Echo Bay Mining. I think I see some glue